Hello guys, how you all doing? Welcome to another day with Chef Blinks. Today I'm going to be making jollof rice. Just want to show you how I make my jollof rice. This is my rice, washed already, parboiled. My stock, chicken stock, steamed tomato, pepper, onion, and tatashe, which is red bay pepper, that is optional too, chopped onion, butter, and peas to garnish. And I'm going to be using Maggi, salt, and I'm going to apply little spices like curry, white pepper, because I boiled my chicken with a lot of them. So let's get started, guys. Just add my oil. I don't want it to be too much so that my rice will not be oily. So we are going to leave this to hot a little. Onion. Fry this for like 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. Now, I'm going to add my salt, curry powder, white pepper. I'm going to add just a little because I already have all this in my stock. And I add my Maggi. I'm going to allow this to just fry for some time, then I'll be right back. So I'm going to invite in my rice. So I'm going to mix together. Make sure it is well mixed together. Now that it's well mixed, I'm going to add in my stock. Just make sure that the water is above the rice. And if your stock is not enough, you are very free to add water. This is the exact moment you can test if all the seasonings, everything you've added is enough so that you can correct. It's not good when you are cooking. You find out there's no salt, you start adding Maggi. No, you just at this point you have to correct and make sure the real taste you want, you have it, and all seasonings are correct. I'm going to be adding little water because I just want it to be above the rice. Okay, this is what I want. I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook. I'm going to fry my green peas. Okay, that's my rice almost cooked, so I'm going to invite in my butter now. Okay. So I'm going to leave this, cover and leave this for a while. That's my jollof rice. I'm going to mix it together now. Guys, this is the result of my jollof rice. So yummy, yummy, yummy. I served with dodo, fried fish, and chicken. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos. Feel free to leave your comments below. And hit the notification bell to know when I upload new videos. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.